बिल्कुल सीधा जाएं। Go right ahead. Go right ahead. मुझे ये मत बताएं। Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. मेरी मदद करें। Give me a hand. Give me a hand. आपका दिन अच्छा रहे। Have a nice day. Have a nice day. वो रास्ते में है। He is on the way. He is on the way. एक और लें। Have another one. Have another one. कितना? How much? मैं ये कर सकता हूँ। I can do it. I can do it. हिलना मत। Don't move. Don't move. इससे दूर ही रहो। Stay out of this. Stay out of this. ये लगा दो। Lock the door. Lock the door. मैं तंग आ गया हूँ। I am fed up. I am fed up. बैठे रहिए। Keep sitting. इसे ठीक कर दो। Fix that. Fix that. कुछ बोलो। Say something. Say something. मैं निकलने वाला हूँ। I am about to leave. I'm about to leave. फिर से कहो। Say that again. कहाँ जाना है? Where to go? Where to go? हल ढूंढो। Find the solution. Find the solution. दूसरों को मत बताना। Do not tell others. Don't tell others. बैठे रहें। Keep sitting. Keep sitting. चुप हो जाओ। Keep silent. Keep silent. मुंह बंद रखो। Keep mum. Keep mum. दूर रहना। Keep away. Keep away. सेहतमंद रहें। Stay healthy. Stay healthy. महफूज रहें। Stay safe. Stay safe. मज़े में रहें। Stay well. Stay well. मजबूत रहें। Stay strong. Stay strong. अंदर ही रहना। Stay inside. Stay inside. मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. आगे आओ। Come on. Come on. मुहतात रहो। Be careful. Be careful. सोच समझ कर बोलो। Think before you speak. Think before you speak. वापस जाओ। Go back. Go back. मुझे तंग मत करो। Do not tease me. Don't tease me. मत भूलो। Do not forget. Don't forget. पास आओ। Come near. Come near. मत जाओ। Do not go. Don't go. नीचे जाओ। Go down. Go down. दाढ़ी रख लें। Keep the beard. Keep the beard. वो सीधा साधा सा है। He is credulous. He is credulous. जो मैं कहता हूँ सुनो। Listen to what I say. Listen to what I say. एक वजह है। There is a reason. There's a reason. अपनी अकल इस्तेमाल करें। Use your wits. Use your wits. ये सिर्फ एक बात है। It is only a talk. It's only a talk. मुझे शर्म महसूस होती है। I feel shame. I feel shame.